the GRM, or the Gross Rent Multiplier, is useful for comparing and selecting investment properties where an operating cost can be expected to be uniform across different properties. In this case, a property value may be estimated using the GRM. Keyword, estimated. Rule of thumb, right? This is not the way you value a property. I don't care who the heck tells you in any workshop that you value a property based on this. This is here to help you quickly determine a value. What property types is this most popular in? Apartment buildings. The reason for it is because typically the average breakdown of cost for operating expenses in apartment buildings is anywhere from 40 to 50%. So a lot of apartment owners use these figures to determine, again, an estimate. Okay? How does it work? It's actually very simple, guys. You take the investment value or the purchase price. I know that looks kind of weird, but that's the actual purchase price or what they're offering at the time if they're on the marketplace. Clean this up. All right. So you take the investment price, purchase price, divided by the forecasted first year, not 5 years. You don't add them all. It's 1 year, which is your forecasted potential gross income. And everybody knows what gross income is, right? It's not the big gross, right? It's the gross income of what the current building has. And it equals the GRM, the gross rent multiplier, which is almost like a percentage, kind of like the load factor that we talked about earlier, right? There's another way that you can do it is you can take, let's say you don't know what the purchase price is or the value of the property is. If you know in your local marketplace what the average gross rent multiplier is, you multiply that figure by your potential gross income and voila, you get a value. Make sense so far? Let's show you numbers. All right. Let's say that the potential gross scheduled income on a 10,000 square foot office. Yeah, let's just use office right now. So we got 10,000, right? Square feet. All right. The potential gross income is $125,000, right? Everybody with me so far? If within your marketplace you know that the average GRM is at 6.5, it equals what? 812, right? Do you see this? $812,500. Now, is that the true value of the building? No. No. What is it? Anybody know what this is?
An estimate?
Estimate. That was pretty difficult.